Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul and talking about all the nice products that I got from Sephora that I'm so excited about. So if you want to see what I bought, then please keep watching. So I got two boxes. I got one just like this, and I got another one too. This one is much heavier, just like that. It's much heavier, this box here. So I'm gonna go into the lighter box first because the lighter box only has two products in it. Well, it has two products and a few free samples, which I mean you guys probably don't care about, but I just got this free sample right here and a little perfume sample. And I love to get these perfume samples just because I always keep them in my purses in case I forget to take a perfume bottle with me. I have these in there. But for the first product that I bought is this Sephora Lip Mask. And the reason that I got this is because I don't know if it's because it's winter here or because I've been wearing a lot of dark lipsticks recently. My lips have just been so dry. So I got that because it says it's going to help with the dryness and everything like that. So that's why I got that. And then from the first makeup thing I got is this Milk Makeup Highlighter in the shade Lit. I'm going to take it out to show you guys. And it just looks like this. And the reason of why I bought this is because my aunt actually had bought it and she showed me it and I swatched it and everything and I just fell in love. Like, it was so pretty that I was like, I have to get that. Like, it's so gorgeous. And I'll swatch it. I don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera, but if it does, you can just see right there. It's just so beautiful and it's like just such a natural shine. I don't think it's gonna pick up on camera, but if you do see it, then it's like, it's just so beautiful. I have no highlight on today, so let's try to put some on. There you go, you can see that. And the first thing that we have in the box is this Too Faced Mini Better Than Sex mascara, and it just comes with this cute little ornament, and I just thought it was so cute. I had to get this. And honestly, I've actually never tried the Better Than Sex mascara. I know it's like crazy, but I just never tried this highlighter. Oh my god. But I just never tried this, so I got it and I'm actually going to use it in a video. And also online you can use like these codes and get like something given, like get like a gift or something. So I used it and it came with this makeup bag and it just is filled with a whole bunch of samples. And it has two makeup products in it and you can pick from 3 different variations of samples that come inside. And I got the one that came with the Kush mascara. And it came with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lip in the shade Crush. So I just got it with that. And then it just has a bunch of like hair and skincare samples. Some more. And then a moisturizer and something to help with redness. So that was really cute, and the bag and everything is so cute. But moving on to the makeup again. I got this foot mask. I know it's kind of like weird, like, oh my god, why would you buy a foot mask? But I don't know why. Again, I think it's because it's winter time here and I take like a bath or a shower in very hot water, so it dries my skin out. So my feet have just been really dry recently and I hate that feeling. So I bought this foot mask and it's supposed to moisturize it and everything like that. So I bought it to see if like hopefully that can help. And then I bought this. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. And it's so gorgeous. Like, honestly, I also bought this for a video too. And this is my first ever Anastasia palette that I've ever had. I'm sure everybody knows what the Modern Renaissance palette looks like. But I also got this one for a video that I'm going to be doing recently. But I also just been wanting it because it's so, so pretty. And it just feels so velvety and everything. But I know basically all of the palettes that Anastasia has is like this material. And I only have 2 products left that I got. And this one is actually a Christmas gift for somebody. And they just sent it in a plastic bag. And I was a little like, oh, okay. Because I thought it was going to come in a box and that I could wrap the box. So I guess I'm just going to have to buy like a gift bag or like a box that it will fit in or something like that. But it's just this Jack Black Beard Lube Conditioning Shave. So for any of you boys out there that watch this, or any girls that like want to buy a gift for their dads or their brothers or their boyfriends or anything like that, this is actually really, really good. And it helps like when you shave, you put it on before. And when you shave, honestly, it makes you have no like razor bumps or anything like that. And I only know this because I got a free sample for the person that I bought this for. So that's how I know. So I do recommend this, and they have 3 sizes, so you can get the smaller size, this size, or the biggest size. Anyways, moving on to the last thing and my favorite thing, and this is honestly the thing that I originally wanted to buy from Sephora online, and then I ended up buying all this other stuff because I cannot shop online and just get one thing. Like, I've never been able to do that. It's a really bad habit. But this is the first thing I wanted to get. The Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette, and like I'm in love with this palette, and even the packaging and everything is just like, I'm obsessed. Like, it's so pretty. It smells like chocolate like all their other stuff does, but I would just, the only thing I would change is it should have smelled like gingerbread because it's like the gingerbread palette. Anyways, it's so beautiful in the inside. Like, I'm so obsessed with it, and I cannot wait to be doing looks with this and everything. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that video, and so you don't miss out on the video that I want to be doing with the Modern Renaissance palette and the Too Faced mascara either. So that's everything that I got. And I'll definitely be doing a bunch more Sephora hauls in the future. But if you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video.